Good day sir, good day classmate. I am Cadet Custodio Charles Saron from NS2A6. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to operate the radar. So I will describe the various presentation on this radar screen on the video circle. On the selector, you select Stabilize Course Up, Display Presentation to be able to recognize that it is course up. It represents the direction which has been input as the vessel's desired course. So, the bearing scale or bearing dial, then on the video circle, there is a heading input that is 250 degrees, so that heading line is maintained upward because it moves every time the bow moves. When vessel is changing course, so when the vessel turns into port or starboard, the heading lines will move so that it is the purpose of stabilize course up. So if you want to reset and bring back to the center, just change it to stabilize course up into stabilize north up. So that aspect of stabilize north up is when you measure the bearing it measure through. You see sea clutter and rain clutter is activated. It show us that it produced by reflections from the sea. It is affected by wave height, wind direction, and the antenna height above sea level. It may extend outward as far as 6 nautical miles. And for rain clutter, you see in the middle of the video circle produced by reflections from rain, snow, or fog. The stabilized head up, there is no heading input, so you cannot see the heading value on the bearing scale. In view of the fact that heading line is all the time pointing upward, it will not change and it is fixed. As you can see at the top of the bearing line, the dial is 00 degree because it is the relative reference of measurement, and it will always 0 and not a true north. Furthermore, when the heading of the vessel change, it is the stationary object or relative object, particularly that moves. On relative motion display, the feature is our own ship. It is constantly located on the center of the video circle, and it's stationary, so all the moving targets and also the stationary targets, it moves according to own ships, and it is relative motion display. The position of the own ship moves with the true speed and course across the radar display area. Land masses and other stationary targets do not move, and only targets in motion move with true speed and course. When this mode is selected, the own ship position will be offset to a position of about 65% of the radar display area. In the opposite direction of the course, the own ship will start moving from the position in the accordance with its speeds and course. When the own ship arrives at a position of about 65% of the radar display radius on the opposite side, the own ship will automatically be set to the position where it was when the true motion display mode was selected.